Hello and welcome to eToll-Free. On this video, I will walk you through how to transfer a call from the eDialer's agent interface. From the welcome page, click Agent Login. Type in your phone and user credentials. Choose the campaign from the dropdown. Then, click Submit. If the campaign dropdown is not showing any campaign options, click Refresh Campaign List. If your eDialer is set to receive incoming calls, you will see the pop-up screen, Closer Inbound Group Selection. Choose the ingroup or incoming group assigned or select all by clicking the right arrow button. Then, click Submit. The transfer button is only clickable when the user is in a live call. Otherwise, this button will remain grayed out. Once the user receives a live call, to transfer, click the transfer button on the left. At this point, you can either keep the caller on the line or place it on hold by clicking the Hold Customer button. Click the Transfer Presets button. A pop-up box will appear with the transfer number options. Choose the name you want to transfer the call to. The number will then populate to the number to call field. Then, click the green Dial with Customer button. If you need to hang up the transfer phone number, click the orange Hang Up X-Fare line button. Once the transfer number connects to the caller or customer, click Leave Three-Way Call button next to the red Hang Up Call button. To hang up both lines, click the red Hang Up button. Then, disposition the call with the correct status. For any other eDialer concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to our friendly eToll-Free customer service by going to our website and clicking the chat icon at the bottom right of the page. Thank you for choosing eToll-Free's eDialer system.